To allow daylight into the building, glass-reinforced plastic sheets are a popular choice on farm buildings. These can be used in place of a fibre cement sheet following the same layout when installing, without the need for mitres, thanks to the reduced thickness of the GRP sheets in comparison to fibre cement. Translucent sheets should be fixed through every corrugation to the purlins using the same fixings that are used as for fibre cement sheeting. They should be supported at each purlin position by fibre cement sheets or, for intermediary purlins, profiled filler blocks. The side laps require stitching to the fibre cement sheets at 300 to 400 mm centres using self-sealing fasteners with a synthetic rubber shank or seam bolts and washers with wide bearings. Continue sheeting as normal around the GRP sheet, ensuring the side laps are stitched as previously described. All recommendations supplied by the specialist translucent sheeting manufacturer should be carefully observed. The fixing recommendations will vary depending on the type, grade and supplier of the material being used. The GRP sheets supplied by Eternit have the classifications shown here. Red caps should be used on all fixings edging the translucent sheet to highlight the change in sheeting for health and safety purposes.